Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is specially for my Muslims, mother, sisters and daughters. Dears, do you know who is Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam? A great woman who gave birth to a child without intervention of a man. How much he suffered, Allah knows better. Do you know who is ASIYA alayhi salatu wasalam? A woman who was married to the worst and evil man of the history, the FIRON. Do you know who is FATIMA radiallahu ta'ala anhu? A little girl who lost her mother when she was too young and then lost his beautiful father at a very young age too. Do you know who is KHADIJA radiallahu ta'ala anhu? A woman who was widowed twice and then married to our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These all are the greatest women from mankind, and they were all tested beyond the measure. When Allah loves a slave, He afflicts him with the trials to know his dignity, to know his love for Allah. Dears, their stories are not mentioned for entertainment. Their stories are the proof that when a woman is afflicted with trials, she can become a legend if she chooses to become stronger than what hurts her. All of these great women could have chosen to complain and be depressed and to live for the sake of it. But instead they choose to have faith in Allah Azza wa Jal, and Allah illuminated their path, which was once filled with darkness. And as for you, you are being tested today, so that you can meet them in Jannah tomorrow. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. May Allah ease our trials for us. May Allah gives us success in our trials. And do you know the stories of such a great woman? Don't you know? But this will be discussed in another video. Till that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.